and welcome to the ClearMoon Academy. My name is Polina, and today we will be discussing Trustwallet. I will personally be walking you through a step-by-step wallet setup. So first, let us dive into the basics of Trustwallet. What is Trustwallet? Trustwallet is a multi-coin wallet that would allow you to store, send, receive and exchange different types of cryptocurrencies with a single account. So with Trustwallet you can buy cryptocurrencies in under 5 minutes, easily earn interest on the crypto in your wallet, view collectibles and NFTs, track charts and prices within the app, all while keeping your crypto safe from hackers and scammers. So alright, let's get started. So first, let us download Trustwallet on our device. You can either download via the Trustwallet website or your App Store. For this example, we will use the App Store. In the search bar, type in Trustwallet and press download. Once you have launched the app, select Create a new wallet. Accept terms of usage. So great, now it's time to back up your wallet. First, we need to save your recovery seed phrase. This is the most important part of maintaining the security of your wallet. You will need to save your recovery phrase in a safe and secure location. Your recovery phrase will allow you to recover your wallet in the event you lose your device. So that you have saved your recovery phrase in a safe place, you will need to verify it. In the same order you save them, select the words in order to complete the verification process. Click Continue once you have finished this setup. Now that you have finished the setup for your new wallet, let's look at how to use the BSC network in Trustwallet. Under the tokens section, you will see that there is a button labeled Smart Chain. Click the Smart Chain button to open your BNB Smart Chain wallet. Here you will find your BNB address. This is your Binance Smart Chain address. You will use this address to receive any Binance Smart Chain tokens. And note, you can only send BEP20 tokens on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, let us take a look at how to find tokens we wish to buy. To open the search menu, we'll simply click the top right corner, which will prompt a search bar. Let us try to search for the ClearMoon token. You will see that the ClearMoon is not listed on the app. It is important to note that Trustwallet supports tokens that have already been listed on coinmarketcap.com. Since ClearMoon has yet to be listed, we will have to manually add the contract address to our wallet. And the easiest way for us to find the ClearMoon contract address is to look on the ClearMoon website. You can simply go to the clearmoon.io website and click the Tokenomics tab. Then scroll down a bit and you will see the contract address listed. Now we need to copy the contract address and go back to the Trustwallet app. So you will see that when you search for ClearMoon in Trustwallet, you are met with an Add Custom Token prompt. Simply paste the ClearMoon contract address in the field. So for name, type in ClearMoon. For symbol, type in Simon. And lastly, enter the decimal of 9. Now that's it. Simple and smooth. It is important to take note of these minor details, such as the importance of your seed phrase and keeping it safe but accessible. So don't forget to check out our in-depth PowerPoint presentation on our website. So stay tuned for our next lesson.